1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. A half cup cooking oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon whole spice. Fry on low flame for 1 minute. 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Cook until translucent. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Cook for 2 minutes. Add marinated chicken. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Cover and cook on low flame for 20 minutes. 10 to 12 almonds soak. 10 to 12 cashews. 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut. 2 tablespoon brown onions. 5 to 6 green chilies. 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. A half cup milk. Make a fine paste. After 20 minutes, cook on medium flame until oil is separated. Add prepared paste. A half cup water. Cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, 3 to 4 green chili, 2 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Cook for 1 minute. Garnish with cashews and almonds.